Okay, got it all back in place. Got the new cord on there now. She comes way out here now. So we got much more. And all I did when I took it out, I pulled the cord all the way out with the tension on it, and I put a screwdriver in it. Then I released the cord and I gave it one more full turn and I locked it in place. Then I fed the cable back through this hole, back into the plastic piece, tied the knot in it. Then I come to this end and you take this out here and the other end of the cord goes in there and you just adjust it accordingly. It's pretty easy. This almost, when it's unbolted, almost touches this. You have to pull this out a little bit to get that tension back. So basically it's just put it all back together from there, and that's how you change a cord on a Honda 3000. Thanks.